Hey everyone! Today we are installing racing sponsons on a jet ski with Vanya.
Hi.
Alright, let's unpack them first.
Yeah, let's do it.
We are going to install them right here. We need to remove 3 bolts on each side.
So, what do we have here?
Take at least one of them out.
There is another little box.
These are the bolts.
Here is one of the sponsons.
RIVA Racing.
So, we're gonna need this and this.
Let's try using the impact wrench instead.
Yeah, let's do that. We just need to move the socket over here. It should be faster this way.
Just a little bit faster, right?
Yeah, just a little bit faster. Now we need to move the sponson over. One goes here. And the second one goes here. This one looks like a spare. Give me a washer too.
Vanya, look at our new Sponson. Look how beautiful it is. It's like a decoration.
Yeah, like a cherry on top.
Alright, this side is finished. Let's move on to the other side. An impact wrench would definitely make this faster. Now we are gonna start threading all the bolts. Now let's tighten and secure them. They look awesome.
Sleek, small and sporty.
Is that it? Careful.
Yeah. Everything looks good.
It looks amazing. Now let's put it in the water and test it out.
Yeah. We are ready to launch. So let's go to test it.
Let's go.
There are so many weeds here.
Wait, I'm getting on with you. Move over. Let's head to the dock.
Wait, stop. What position should I put the jet nozzle in? All the way down or just in the middle?
We are going to drift, so keep the nozzle level.
Okay, got it.
You need to go a little faster. It won't drift like that. You need to pick up some speed.
Don't really understand if I'm doing it right or not.
No, you are not doing it right. It's not going to drift like a car.
I don't know how else to do it.
You need to break the rear loose and lean it onto its side.
Like this? Ah, I get it now. Yeah, that's it. Now it actually looks like a drift. Careful, whoa, whoa, whoa. Careful. No, the other way, the other way. Whoa, easy, easy, easy. Careful. Turn it off already. Wait, where is your other boot?
I lost it.
You lost it?
It turns out drifting isn't that easy, but we are going to keep practicing.
And if you enjoyed watching us learn how to drift with the new racing Sponsons on the jet ski, hit the like button. Bye bye.
Bye.